Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is all about the diet you should follow to lose fat fast. Losing weight can be a difficult journey. But with the right diet and lifestyle changes, it can be achieved. First and foremost, it's important to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all diet for weight loss. It's essential to find a diet that works for you and is sustainable in the long run. However, there are some general guidelines you can follow to create a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss. Here are some tips. Reduce your calorie intake. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. You can achieve this by reducing your calorie intake. Start by cutting out high-calorie, low-nutrient foods like junk food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks. Focus on whole foods. Instead of consuming processed foods, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and complex carbohydrates can help you feel full and satisfied while keeping your calorie intake in check. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full and hydrated, which can prevent overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil can help keep you full and satisfied. They also provide essential nutrients for your body. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol is high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. If you do choose to drink, limit your intake and choose lower calorie options like wine or light beer. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating later on. Aim for 3 balanced meals a day and incorporate healthy snacks if needed. Remember, weight loss takes time and dedication. Be patient with yourself and focus on making sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content.